the story of transformation, Samir in this village. Hey Mina, can you tell me a story today? Maybe one about a poor person?
Of course, Kashif. Once upon a time, in a small village surrounded by hills, there was a man named Samir. He didn't have much money and lived in a small, simple house. Samir earned his living by working as a farmer.
Tell me more, Mina.
Samir had a tough life. His house wasn't very good, and his clothes were old and torn. But you know what, Kashif? Samir always had a smile on his face. He believed in being kind and helping others.
That's nice. How did he manage to stay happy?
Well, Samir had a special way of helping others. Whenever he had some extra food, he shared it with his hungry neighbors. If someone's house got damaged in a storm, he'd lend a hand, even if he didn't have much himself.
Wow, he sounds like a really good person.
One day, a traveler came to the village. He heard about Samir's kindness and gave him a bag of seeds. Samir used those seeds to turn a piece of barren land into a beautiful garden with colorful flowers and yummy fruits.
That's amazing. Did his garden make him rich?
Not in money, Kashif, but in happiness and respect. Samir's garden became famous in the village. People came from all over to see it. Samir shared the extra food from his garden with those who were hungry and gave seeds to others so they could start their gardens too.
So, Samir's kindness made a big difference.
Indeed, Kashif. This story teaches us that even if you don't have a lot, you can still help others and make the world a better place. It's not about how many things you own, it's about how much kindness you share.
And so, dear viewers, may Samir's story remind us that even a little bit of kindness can mean a lot. If you liked this story, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. By doing that, you help us keep spreading good stories that make people happy. Take care, goodbye.